Okay, another path tracer activity. Gmail.com. So, our path tracer activity for chapter 8, subnetting scenario. Where's there? So, objectives is part 1 is design an IP addressing scheme. Part 2 is assign IP addresses to network devices and verify connectivity. So, scenario, in this activity, you are given the network address of 192.168.100.0/24 to subnet and provide the IP addressing for the network shown in the topology. So, each line the network requires enough space for at least 25 addresses for end devices, the switch and the router. 25 addresses. The connection between R1 and R2 will require an IP address for each end of the link. Okay. So part 1 is design an IP addressing scheme. Step 1 is subnet the 192.168.100.0/24 network to appropriate number of subnets. So based on the topology, how many subnets are needed? Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we need 5 we need 5 subnets. Okay, so how many bits must be borrowed to support the number of subnets in the topology table? So we need to have 3 host bits because 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, 8. So we need 3 borrowed bits. Okay. So how many subnets does this create? Okay, so we have 8 subnets. So 3 borrowed bits will create let's see. So 1, 2, correct? So it will create 8 subnets. So it will satisfy our requirement of 5 subnets. So how many usable hosts does this create per subnet? So if your answer is less than 25 hosts, then you borrow too many bits. So how many, if your answer is less than 25 hosts required, then you borrow too many bits. Okay. So how many usable does this create per subnet? So we have 2 raised to 5. So it's 30. 30 subnets. 32. 1 to 8, 64, 32. So 30 subnets of 30 usable hosts. So calculate the binary value for the first 5 subnets. The first subnet is already shown. What? Calculate the binary for the first 5 subnets. 192.168. Okay. What do you mean? So we'll be borrowing. So it should be this one. So 001, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. So we have then 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 1, 5. We just need 4 now. Okay, let's see. Like that now. Calculate the binary decimal value of the new subnet mask. Okay. So our new subnet mask would be /28. 1 slash 27 slash 27 or 255 2 224 224. Okay, so fill in the subnet table listing the decimal value for all subnets, the first, last usable, and broadcast address. Repeat until the address are listed. Subnet address. Let's see. Subnet number, subnet address. Okay, so let's see. So we only need 5 address. So 192.168.100.0, 192.168.100. So this is 64. No. This is 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 32. 68.100.64 and 192.168.100.96 plus 32 plus 32. So 192.168.100.128. Okay, so these are our addresses. Last usable address. So does not matter. Okay. So assign the subnets to the network. So assign the subnets to the network shown in topology. So assign subnet 0 to the LAN connected to gigabit Ethernet. So this is our subnet 0. Subnet 1. Subnet 4. Next, assign subnet 0 to the LAN connected to the gigabit. Okay. So this is for let's see. Okay, assign. Okay. So we're assigning our subnets which lands here. Okay. So our subnet 0 would be for this interface. Subnet 1 is this interface here from our router 1. Then router 2, subnet 2, subnet 3, and subnet 4 is for one link. We're not using VLSM. So step 3 is document the addressing scheme, fill in the addressing table using the following guidelines. Assign the first usable IP address to the R1 for the 2 LAN links and the 1 link. So assign the first usable IP addresses to R2 for the LAN links. Assign the last usable IP address for the Assign the second usable IP address to switches. Last usable IP address. Assign the last usable IP address to the host. Okay. So as part 2 is assign IP address to network devices and verify connectivity. Most of the IP addressing is already configured in this network. Implement the following step to complete the addressing config. Okay, configure IP addressing on S3, including the default TP. Wow. R1 LAN interfaces. Okay. They're already configured. Let's see. Configure lock. Okay. So you can only verify connectivity from R1, S3, and PC4. Okay. However, you should be able to ping every IP address listed in the addressing table. Okay, let's see. So first one is the R1 LAN interfaces. So assign the first usable IP address to R1. R1 for the two LAN links. Okay. So this is for the L1 link. So one link is the Subnet 4 by R1. So enable config key interface D0/0. So IP address is 102.168.100.1. The subnet mask would be /27.224. Right. Then no shutdown. See if we're correct. Okay. Then for our interface G0/1, so IP address would be 33. So our last first usable address, no shutdown. Then for the serial link, S0/0/0. So interface S0/0/0. So our IP address is 102.168.100.129 255.224 /27, then no shutdown. Okay. So we already have 14. Let's see. Okay, configure IP addressing on S3. Assign the second usable IP address. Okay. So the second usable. So for S3 we have also wait. Can you see it? Have 50 interface VLAN 1. So our IP address is, so for S3 we have the network for G0/0. So it is 64 here. So the second usable is 65, so it's the 66. 102.168.100.129 100.66.255.224. Okay, now shut down. Then it's our default gateway. The default gateway would be 192.168.100.64. No, 65. Okay. Now for the PC4, addressing for PC4 we have, so assign the last usable IP address to the host. Okay, so the last usable address for 3, so it should be 126, because 127 is our broadcast address. So 126, so our address is 92.168.100.126. Subnet mask is 224. Default gateway is 92.168.100.97. So we got a completion of 30/30. So verify connectivity. So let's see for PC1 and PC4. Oops. Configures. So just ping some of the devices. This is from the 30. So this is the address for PC1. Okay. So next is for PC2 we have 62. That is the address of 60 of our PC2. For PC3 we have 94. Then our address is 126. So we already got 30/30. So that's it.